I'm gonna start debugging some stuff, gonna make videos of my debugging. Hopefully this is useful, helpful for you guys. If it is, do comment below. Maybe even consider like and subscribe. Alright, let's get going. We're looking for the Flutter SDK because we want to use it with VSCode. This is just a command palette, so you do Command Shift P and you get to it looking for the SDK. It doesn't work because things are not sorted. So this is the terminal, right? Just open here below as part of VS Code, and I looked up on Stack Overflow what to do in this case. So you might have a .zshrc file that you would need to change. This is where you define the path, right? So as you can see here, I'm looking for it, and then I'm opening it with Vim. So you can use Vim or you can use V, and you figure out where Flutter is exactly. So you need to find the path for Flutter, so VS could know where to look for in order to find the SDK. So you need to export your path to permanently have it over there when you're using VS Code. So we're gonna export the path to Flutter, and then we're gonna try Flutter Doctor to see that it actually works. So it doesn't work, as you can see, it's not found. So well, I looked up again to see what should I do in case of a ZSH file when it's not working. And then if you're on GitHub and you just want to find a solution, you can just find the icons if you don't want to read everything. And you can see that there's a thing with the double quotes. You need to remove them with some of the Mac versions. So I'll just show you how this can be done. So open your file again from the terminal. So open with Vim the ZSHRC file, and then you can see here the double quotes are not there because I already moved them, but I'll show you what it used to be like and what you should do. So I'll add them as if they were always there, and then you just delete it and you want to save the file. I'll put below some links to how to use Vim in case you don't know. And now you're going to try to run your Flutter Doctor, and voila,